Welcome, Whisper English ASMR, where you can learn English grammar, vocabulary, and hear different stories while you drift off to sleep. I encourage you to like and subscribe, to listen and learn more English while you sleep. Let's begin with a deep, soft breath, in and out, and again, in and out. Good. Now close your eyes and listen. Just listen and drift. You are in a soft, quiet room. The window is open. A warm breeze touches your skin. You hear birds. You hear wind chimes. Your body is light. You feel calm, safe. Now imagine a photo of your family. Look at the photo in your mind. You see your mother. You see your father, your sister, your brother, maybe your grandmother or your grandfather. They are all smiling. They are happy. You look at your mother. She is wearing a red dress. That is your mother's dress. Your father is holding a book. That is your father's book. Now the story begins. You wake up in a small house. It is your family's house. You hear your sister's voice. She is in the kitchen. You walk down the stairs. Your sister is making tea. She says, "This is our mother's favorite tea." You smile. You say, "Where is Dad's newspaper?" She says, "It's on the table next to Anna's phone." Now let's look at the grammar. We use possessives to show that something belongs to someone. We say, "My mother's dress." The dress belongs to your mother. We say, "Your father's book." The book belongs to your father. We say, "Anna's phone." The phone belongs to Anna. Now imagine these words: my brother's shoes, my sister's cat, grandmother's house. You can feel them. You can see them. Let's hear the story again. You are in the kitchen. Your sister is there. She says, "This is Mom's tea." You say, "Where is Dad's newspaper?" You both laugh. You are happy. Did you hear the possessive apostrophe? Mom's tea. Dad's newspaper. Good. Very good. Now let's practice. Repeat softly or just think it. My mother's tea. My sister's smile. My father's shoes. Grandfather's chair. My brother's guitar. Excellent. You can listen again to remember more. Each time you listen, you learn more. Now rest your head. Feel your body sink into the bed. You have learned about the possessives. You know family words. You remember my sister's voice, father's book, mother's tea. Your mind is calm, your heart is soft, and your dreams are full of gentle words. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe to Whisper English ASMR. Good night and sweet dreams.